Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. Thank you so much for clicking on the video, guys. So today in this video, I'm going to be creating some unique candle vases. Now these two vases I'm holding in my hand, I've decided while I was talking, I'm not going to use them. I'm going to be using those small round vases from the Dollar Tree. These two I picked up from my, not my discount store, from my thrift store. I'm going to be using some gold butterflies as a decoration, and what you do is you apply some sticky tabs that come with it, and you could apply it on your wall, on gift boxes. You could apply it to a tall vase. I'm also going to use that gold trim mirror from the Dollar Tree and that pearl trim as well. That's from the Dollar Tree. And again, I'm not using the vases you see in front of me. I'm going to be using two round vases, one large and one small round vase from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So these are the two vases I'm going to be using. I've decided that the design that I have in mind will look better on a round vase. So I'm going to be customizing two glitters today, black and silver glitter, and then this gold glitter. I'm going to blend those two together just to get a custom color. So before I do that, I want to draw a line around the vase, but the line has to be very straight. So I'm going to use this remote control from one of my candles, and I'm going to be using a Sharpie gold metallic marker to draw the line. And so I'm just going to place the marker on top of the remote control, press the tip of the marker against the glass, and turn it. This is going to help create a nice, even, consistent line. I think I can see where I missed the space, but it's not going to matter. I'll just fill it in manually if I have to. And that's the line, guys. So I already did the line. I'm going to do this to both of the vases. I couldn't have hand drawn this line straight. Now it's time to custom blend some glitter, and I'm going to use this black and silver glitter, and I'm just going to shake some of the gold glitter on top, just blend it together a little bit. So this isn't going to be enough. I'm going to create a larger amount, but I'm going to use it in small batches. But this is what I'm doing. I'm just blending the gold and the black glitters together. So this color is going to look really nice. Okay, so I'm going to work on the small vase. I'm going to do exactly the same thing to both vases, so I'm only going to show you me working on one. So I'm going to start with some of my Aleene's clear gel tacky glue, and I'm just going to place a little bit onto the vase, and then I'm going to spread that nice and smooth with this is a silicone brush that I'm using, and I got that from Amazon. So I'm just going to use this just to spread that glue. I don't want to get it too thick, but I want to spread it nice and thin. Once I have it spread out, I'm just going to shake the pre-made glitter onto the areas where I applied the glue. I'm going to do this to both vases, the larger one as well. So here it's partially dry. So what I'm doing is using my craft cutter just to scrape away any of the glitter that may have adhered to the vase below the gold line. So these are fully dry, and I'm going to continue with the project. But guys, look how nice this looks so far. I love the combination of the black and the gold glitter. Really nice with the silver mixed in as well. So as you can see that there's no glitter coming off on my hand. What I did was, after it dried, I sealed it in with my hairspray. If you guys follow me, you know I use hairspray as a craft sealer because I am allergic to traditional craft sealers. But this works really well. It doesn't dull it down at all. So I'm going to be using this gold pearl trim I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut it down into single row strips. Now that that's done, I am going to hot glue it to the top edge of the vase. Once that's done, I'm going to apply a second row to the bottom of the glitter trim. Now I'm going to use that same gold metallic Sharpie marker, and I'm going to color in the top of the vase, the rim of the vase. I'm going to fill that in just to match back to the gold trim. So now that that's done, I decided to add a single row of that pearl trim to the bottom of the vase. That looks really, really nice. So here are the butterflies I'm going to use. I'm going to cut the butterflies out from the inside, and I'm going to use that as my decoration. So just for a little contrast, I'm going to place the black silicone sheet behind the butterfly so that you could better see the smaller butterfly that's inside the wing. So I'm going to be cutting these out, and I'm going to use that as the decoration. Now that I have them all cut out, I'm going to use a little bit of my clear gel tacky glue as my adhesive, and I'm going to brush it on all over the butterfly, and then I'm going to place it on the vase. Once I have it on the vase, I'm going to use that same small silicone sheet just to press it onto the glass to make sure it's adhered properly. This is a rubberized material that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to wrap this around my project just to hold the butterflies in place while it dries. Everything is completely dry. I'm absolutely loving the way this project turned out. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think. I look forward to chatting with you in the comments. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.